Greetings to all the viewers. Hope you all stay safe in this pandemic situation. In this video, I am going to present you about my hero, my role model. Basically, a role model is a person whose behavior, example, or success can be emulated by others, especially by younger people. Everyone have a role model, and my role model is Mr. Bill Gates. He is the co-founder of Microsoft Corporation. In my opinion, he is one of the greatest persons I have ever heard about. His life is like a combination of both success in technology and in philanthropy. He strongly believes that technology can become everyone's friend in future. He started programming computers at the age of 13. He wrote his first program on the implementation of the game Tic-Tac-Toe. He was a National Merit Scholar when he was a graduate from the Lakeside School. Gates devised an algorithm for pancake sorting as a solution to one of the series of the unsolved problems. His solution held the record as the fastest version for over 30 years. In 1975, Gates and Allen saw the opportunity to start their own computer software company. As the company grew, he transitioned as a manager and then as an executive. He often rewrote each and every line of the code produced by the company, which was the major secret of his success. The characteristic that I liked in him the most is he will never give up anything. He lost a game 35 out of 37 times with one of the executives. After 1 month, he again played with that executive and either won or tied every game but had never lost. He had studied the game until he solved it. This is the competitive spirit of Bill Gates. He has a unique management style. He used to meet regularly with his senior managers and program managers in order to discuss the tactics and strategies. He would make strategies unless and until he gets fully convinced with that. He is the world's youngest self-made billionaire who most influenced the 20th century. He was number 1 on the Forbes list of 400 list from 1993 to 2007. Gates and his wife Melinda started a charitable foundation, Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, which was the world's wealthiest charitable foundation. The goal of the foundation is to provide the poorest countries with high quality contraceptual information and services. The organization also focuses on the Global Development Division and Global Health Division. They have also received Padma Bhushan for their social work in the country. I think the world needs some other people like Bill Gates, who can by their well thinking and strong determination to change the world into a better place, ignoring the human side of themselves. Not only earning money, but using it for the betterment of people made him the greatest among the great. This is the reason why I have chosen Bill Gates as my role model. Thanks for watching. If you are not a subscriber of Vedaversity Infinity, click here to subscribe my channel. And to watch my most recent video, click here.